In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find and open Voice Recorder app. Now use this red button at the bottom to start recording and hit allow in all pop-ups if you never used Recorder before. Hit allow here as well, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To listen to it instantly, swipe it on the track and click on play button. If you wish to overlay your recording, you can do that by tapping on the red button now. Once you finish, just stop and go back to the moment where you wish to continue your recording. To add a bookmark, click on this icon on the right. And to end it and save it, this square at the bottom. Now name your recording and hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it and manage all of those options however you want to. Like transcribe to see your text, skip silences, repeat, and speed. You can also move it 5 seconds each way while listening to it. Add bookmarks from here. And click on those 3 dots at the top right corner to also check out all of those options, like edit. Pick a portion of your recording and tap on scissors icon to decide what you wish to do with it. Then hit save at the top right corner and decide if you want to save this as new recording or replace the original one. Finally, when you go back, you can also hold your recording on the list and access those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!